Alright guys, I got a 2020 Honda Civic. It has about 29,000 miles on it, and I recommend you change this PCV valve, which is right there. Right, so all you need is a ratchet with the number 10. It's a very simple job. This thing is $32 from the dealer. Alright, and all you do is you take your ratchet with the number 10 or a wrench and you turn this counterclockwise. I would recommend you change this little valve every 30,000 miles, because this is important to ventilate the air in the engine. Alright, if this thing gets stuck closed or stuck open, you can have vacuum leak, misfire, burning oil. Dealer do tell you if some of the cars burn oil, it could be the PCV valve. It could be, but most likely maybe it's not. Anyways, all you do is you grab this little guy, you turn it a little bit and you yank it out, and there you go, the PCV valve comes right out. And I'm gonna get the new PCV valve and we're gonna drop that in there. Alright, so here's the new PCV valve. I do have oil on it. I did put a little drop of oil. So what you do is you take a little bit of oil, put it around the seals right there. It has 2 seals. This thing is only $32 from the dealer. You can pick it up and change it yourself. So the new PCV valve, very simple. You take this little guy, make sure you do, like I put oil on this O-rings. If you don't, it's probably not gonna sit properly. You take this, what I like to do, twist it around slowly, and it should click in just like that. Should take you no more than 5 minutes. You take your bolt, the number 10 bolt. Okay, this one, I will give you a torque spec in the video, and I'm gonna tighten this. I'm gonna snug it. Okay, I do like to torque this bolt, but usually it's not on the camera, and I'm gonna give you the torque specs. But however, if you don't have a wrench, I am gonna show you that if I was to take this, all I would do is simply tighten it. Okay, I'm gonna take this apart, the bolt, and I'm gonna torque it, but this thing does not have to be crazy tight. You do not want to break anything. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to change the PCV valve right there. Alright, this is a Honda Civic 2020 with 29,000 miles on it. Thank you for watching again, and give it a thumbs up.